In this part of the test, you will be writing a CER paragraph, which stands for Claim, Evidence, Reasoning. The first part of this provides you with the evidence that you'll need. So you need to select 3 pieces of evidence out of all the evidence provided for you to use in your CER paragraph. So here we have evidence listed. Here is one piece of evidence. Earthquakes occur in a pattern along the plate boundary between the South American plate and African plate. Evidence B, a mid-ocean ridge landform is found along the plate boundary between the South American plate and African plate. Evidence C, volcanic activity happens in a pattern along the plate boundary between the South American plate and African plate. Evidence D, the continents of South America and Africa, where Mesosaurus fossils are located, are currently about 4,000 kilometers apart and separated by the Atlantic Ocean. GPS measurements show that the South American plate and African plate are currently spreading apart from each other at a rate of 3 centimeters per year. Evidence E is a map showing the plate boundary lines along with the volcanoes and the earthquakes and where the Mesosaurus fossils were found. You also have a video that you can review, which we watched early on in our unit. Then you will be presented with a question: how did the Mesosaurus fossils on the South American plate and African plate get so far apart? You will select which claim you are going to use in your CER paragraph. There are 2 options. Claim 1, the South American plate and African plate moved apart suddenly. Claim 2, the South American plate and African plate moved apart gradually. That means over a long time. So gradually over a long time, suddenly would mean fast or quickly. We then have a word bank of words that you may use in your CER paragraph. And then lastly, we have the space for you to write your paragraph. And here is the writing prompt, which is kind of like the question. Write a message to help the Museum of West Namibia build their exhibit. 1, state your claim about how the Mesosaurus fossils got separated. 2, use evidence to support your claim. 3, for each piece of evidence you use, explain how the evidence supports your claim. And the goal here is that you use 3 pieces of evidence. Good luck.